Can you guys see the issue with this? Eh? Can you work out what the issue is? This was on social media, and many people giving him sort of like the wrong advice. Just think about it. Anyway, as for my as for my Nvidia Shield, um, I don't know. It's just been happening for probably about a week now. I might be on an app and then I go to the main screen and this happens. Now I've rebooted it and all that stuff, but I reckon it's to do with my main screen. I guess it's loading up, and I think as I've got all those different sort of what do you call it? They call it channels, don't they? But you've got like Netflix, Disney. Is it Disney Plus? I've got Amazon. Then I've got SmartTube, and SmartTube has all got all that stuff there, so it's sort of like working that one out. So maybe it's all loading up, but it's taking forever. Are any of you guys having any issues with your Nvidia Shield? Right, back to this one now. So he's got a Firestick, low storage, and we all had this, haven't we? Fire sticks. We've all had this. That's why I only recommend people get the Cube or the 4K Max. But anyway, you can see that Kodi's issue. That is nearly a 2 gig Kodi file. Yeah, it's taking up at least 2 gigs of storage on his Fire Stick, and many people are saying, "Oh yeah, clear cache, clear cache." And you know, if you know Kodi properly, work very well inside, then you know that clearing cache ain't gonna do nothing for that. So you think, you know, either he's downloaded a video or something like that accidentally, or he hasn't used the wizard. So I did ask him what build he's using, and he did state this build. He uses a very popular build, and I don't think he didn't do the maintenance for it. So most builds, you go into the wizard, they have like a maintenance add-on or program add-on that does, you know, clear cache, clear packages, and it cleans or basically deletes thumbnails. And I think it's the thumbnails that, you know, accumulated a lot of the storage and memory on his device. So he's sorted that out now. And I remember years ago there was a Kodi build I used to follow, and his team, they will recommend not doing this because, you know, whether it's every few weeks or once a month, they change or update the build. And of course, when you update a build, it will be like a fresh install, and so it doesn't really matter. But some people, or many people, don't even update their build, to just leave it. So I have the same build for months, even though, you know, some stuff don't work, some links don't work, shortcuts don't work, they still just have it. and of course, like this guy here, he just must have been using this build for ages, not bothered to. No, I believe that it hasn't been updated for a while anyway. But he's been using it. So if every time you log on or you put it on and you see all the widgets, you see all the background pictures or whatever like that, it just adds up storage, just takes up space. And over time, 2 gigabytes on a Fire Stick, that is quite a lot. So that's all you need to do, guys. Either install a program add-on that, you know, is a maintenance tool, or just use one of those wizards that, you know, you probably have one already installed on your device. Or if not, just go into the install from repository. You probably have some of the popular community build wizards there. I mean, most people have like the Crew and I don't know, the Crew Digs wizard or something like that. Go in there, you'll see a maintenance section or whatever like that. If you don't know, you can just ask, I'll try and direct you. But yeah, just click on that and that will just clear up storage. You know, removing, clearing thumbnails, delete thumbnails, that will do. All right then, guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much.